Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps Advanced, Automating Your AI Development Pipeline. Imagine you're building a house. You need a solid foundation, a clear blueprint, and a team to execute the plan. MLOps is like the construction process for AI development, where we automate and streamline the workflow to build, deploy, and maintain AI models. The AI development pipeline is like an assembly line. It starts with data collection, followed by data pre-processing, model training, model evaluation, and finally, model deployment. Each stage is crucial, and automating this pipeline helps reduce errors and increases efficiency. Data preparation is like cooking a recipe. You need the right ingredients, in the right quantities, mixed in the right order. Automating data preparation involves using tools to collect, clean, and pre-process data, making it ready for model training. Model training is like teaching a child to ride a bike. You need to provide the right guidance, support, and practice. Automating model training involves using algorithms to train the model, and evaluating its performance using metrics like accuracy and precision. Model deployment is like launching a new product. You need to make sure it's working correctly, and fix any issues that arise. Automating model deployment involves using tools to integrate the model into the production environment, and monitoring its performance to ensure it's working as expected. There are many tools available for MLOps, like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These tools are like having a team of experts working for you, providing pre-built functions and frameworks to automate the AI development pipeline. Best practices for MLOps include version control, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. These practices are like following a recipe for success, ensuring that your AI development pipeline is efficient, reliable, and scalable. In conclusion, MLOps is like the secret ingredient in your favorite recipe. It helps you automate and streamline the AI development pipeline, making it faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Next steps include exploring MLOps tools and techniques, and applying them to your own AI projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.